Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how you fix your screen record or as capture if there is no sound or nothing here after your record on a new version update. So mostly kasi nakikita ko is nothing tutorial na luma yung tutorial nila and is not working in the new update. So today I'm gonna teach you on how. First is go on the settings there and choose shortcuts and accessibility. Then after you go there, put the S capture and then there is a setting where you can set your own how to do the screen record or not or etc. So ang first nating gagawin is go on here screen recording and then record and record sound, this one I can touch naman po, pero if you touch this there is a menu where you can choose what you want and choose this system audio and microphone sound, and that's it. After you put that and try to record your screen, and then that's it. Ganun na po yun. And that's all. I hope it's helped. Thank you.